Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's get started with the unboxing video of Agaro Sonic electric toothbrush, which is of cosmic light version, and this comes with these features. And here is the price mentioned on the box, but it differs on Amazon or Flipkart, wherever you buy. So I have provided the link in the description so you can buy it. This comes with dynamic cleaning by Sonic technology and IPX7 waterproof, and also you can recharge this device which comes with 1 year warranty. There's also extended warranty card, so if you want you can extend it more 3 months by verification method. This comes with 6 cleaning modes: high, medium and low intensity, which protects you from sensitive gum care and deep care as well. This device requires power of DC 3.7 volts. Product material is ABS. Brush weight is 58 grams. Charging time is 3.5 hours. Usage time is 20 days, which depends upon the 2 minutes of use and 2 uses per day. If you increase this limit, the usage time will be less. And it comes with the one electric toothbrush handle, 3 dew-point brush heads, 1 interdental head, 1 micro USB charging cable, 1 protection cap to protect your brush, and instruction manual, and also warranty card is available. You can extend the warranty card or warranty of 3 months. And here's the way to input the brush. Just fix it and rotate, and whenever you click on first time, it will run at a low speed. Double click medium speed, 3 times fast speed, and here at the bottom you can see the cap to recharge. That's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button.